Logan,
what's
look
up?
at my big wang.
Oh my lord, that is a big wang. How big is it?
69 inches.
69 inches.
Dude, biggest wang you've ever seen.
That is a big wang. And it's shiny too.
Dude, look how Today we are installing the 9 Lives Racing 69-inch big wang on the DF Goblin. That's right, today we are putting the biggest wang I have ever seen on the Goblin, full 69 inches.
Yes, we are 5 years old on this channel.
Anyways, everybody, welcome back to Vlogmas. As you guys can see, I am still in Vlogmas mode. If you guys don't know what Vlogmas is, it means we're uploading every single day for the month of December. And so, we've got a big wang for the Goblin today, and we're gonna be throwing it on the car.
Is it actually 69 inches?
And it's actually 69 inches. Like, no joke. It is a 69-inch big wang for the Goblin. The Goblin is gonna have a 69-inch wang.
That's absurd.
Yeah, so, anyways, if you guys didn't see the last video, we put the hood on the car, we wrapped it in wrapping paper, and so we're gonna be putting the big wang on it today to kind of balance out the front and the rear end. You know, it kind of looks a little front heavy right now, so we're putting the big wang on it. But before we do, if you're not already, be sure to subscribe down below so don't miss any of the videos we put out in the near future, especially for Vlogmas, which is all month long of December. So be sure to subscribe and leave a comment on what you want to see us do with the Goblin. Anyways, with that said,
let's put this big wang on. Good lord.
Anyway, here is the big wang. This is from 9 Lives Racing. As you guys can see, it is it's pretty substantial.
That's a big wang.
Only big wangs here on Living Like Gray.
Okay, don't make it weird.
You guys might think we're 5 years old for saying wang on this channel, and it's literally called a wang on their website. If you go on 9 Lives Racing, it literally says big wang. Not my fault. You can blame 9 Lives for that, but we're gonna go ahead and throw this on the car. Should be pretty simple. It should be like 4 bolts.
Yeah, it's always just 4 bolts.
It's always 4 bolts, and it's always super simple.
Let's get into it.
Let's go. My big wang, oh my God, dude, it's heavy. Oh God. Okay, so this is not a carbon fiber wing, it's an aluminum wing. So it is a little heavier, but it is gonna be super durable. And I'm also gonna be able to blind people with this. This is gonna be nuts on the back of the car. So basically, oh dude, this is gonna be nuts.
Yeah, the camera, you can't even tell.
You can't even tell how,
like, camera. Wait, dude.
It's gonna be huge. So there's a couple cool things about this wing. Before I install it, I do want to say, one, it is an adjustable wing. We can adjust how much downforce we have by the adjustability on the pylons. As you can see, we got multiple different mounting holes that will allow us to adjust the angle. This is I guess the whole thing is a chassis mount, but it's a chassis mount wing. Just goes right here to these welded pieces, and then up it goes. One of the cool things about this is not only do you have that downforce adjustment, but this actually has a slot for a gurney flap. So it's a little thing that you can slide in and basically increase your downforce with just a little piece that you slide in all the way down. I didn't get a gurney flap. I'm not gonna need more downforce with this just yet, but we have the ability to do it in the future if we get into something crazier. This is literally 4 bolts to install. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed and see how it looks.
Grayson, what are you doing?
Kind of big. Kind of big for that hole.
Hole too big for the big wang?
Hole too small. I gotta make the hole bigger. Wang too big.
Oh my lord.
So anyway, we gotta drill the powder coat. This video deserves to be buried on the internet. So it looks like we gotta drill that out a little more. That's what it's looking like. All right, I gotta go up a size, so I'm gonna step it. I really don't wanna break these mounts because it would be very difficult to fix. So, we gotta step it up a little bit.
Okay, so we gotta mount these on the inside per video.
So I need to tighten that down, obviously. But I'm gonna leave it loose until we actually have to torque everything.
It's gonna look so cool once it's on.
It actually looks more balanced now.
I know, it's gonna, the back just looks kind of like
naked, yeah.
Yeah, it's got a short butt.
It looked like it was missing something.
Yeah.
This might be like too big. I think I might need bigger tires.
Yeah,
Because these tires are babies. I mean, so for context, these are from the BRZ, and they just happen to fit this wheel pattern. So I didn't want to go buy new wheels, and these just ended up on here. So what I probably will do is get actual wheels for this car soon, just not yet. Already it's looking a lot better. We got the pylons on. Now I just gotta figure out where I want the wing to sit. I think the wing, this goes on the outside of the wing like that. Now so I'll mount the rear pieces.
Oh, it's very light. Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, you gotta. This thing is massive.
Good Lord.
Oh, it looks so good. It looks strange that it's aluminum, but look at this.
Oh, that looks so much better.
Oh my God, dude. It's huge.
That looks a lot, it looks a lot better. Wish I can get back.
Now what downforce setting do we want? Probably that, right? That seems like perfect like that.
Yeah, I like that.
And just like that, we have the big Wang on the car. This thing is full on tabletop. It has a little bit of side to side shake. I might be able to put like a brace in between. I've seen a couple people do that, but really this shouldn't be too bad. We'll just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't like do anything bad, but this, honestly, the car looks complete now. Before this, it looked like it was always missing something. This is amazing. I thought the 69 inches was gonna be too much. I thought the big Wang, it was gonna be too big, but she can take it, so. Anyway, it looks good. I'm so excited because I cannot wait to show my big Wang off to everybody because it looks actually really good now. All jokes aside, seriously, I think that this thing is going to turn some serious heads. For now, this is just gonna be an install video. We will make more videos, probably doing some actual testing with this wing to see, one, how much downforce that actually makes, and then optimal downforce as well, because we gotta figure out exactly how much downforce we want to make. So we're going to be doing some testing with that here in the near future, but for now, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Logan, I need to show you something.
What's up?
Look at my big Wang.
What is that? Why is it silver? Why is it giant? This is bigger than the entire car.